good evening. Thanks for tuning in. The sun is on its way down. We always have a beautiful sunrise and sunset. We are all done dinner, and right now we're up to go see the goats, and we are gonna let out the kids.
This is take 2 of letting out the kids. The first time we tried to let them out, they seemed fine, and then they found out they could fit through the cattle panel. So hopefully they've bulked up enough that we don't let any out. I'm really excited to let these kids out because I think they're gonna be so happy.
Yeah, it's been about a week and a half, so they should be bigger, and they're not gonna have the urge. I'm hoping they're not gonna have the urge to get to their mother for their milk. Even if they get out,
Hopefully it won't matter.
Yeah, the urge to get milk should be gone.
We'll see. It's kind of a experiment.
We really should have another. Well, I should take the time to put up smaller panels. But
well, for next kidding season,
yeah,
we'll do that. But we learned a lot, at least. There's that. We always are learning here. We're about to let the kids out.
We're gonna let the kids out.
Are you so excited to see the look on their face?
Let's get all this stuff in
Be
here
happy.
first.
They're gonna be so happy. They're gonna be smiling from horn to horn.
All right. Well, I want to try to save the wire, so let's see if I can pull this out. Watch out, buddy. There we go. Oh, where'd that go? Man, I absolutely love goats. They're so cool looking. Especially these Kiko goats. They're really hardy. Cool.
Come watch the goaties.
Let them free, Jetty.
Let's put a harness on you.
What do you think? Do you think any can fit through?
I don't know. You shouldn't put that on its neck, buddy. I don't know. I mean, maybe.
They sure don't look like it. But
How would you put it with it's like there right now?
There's a hook.
Oh. Wow. You should hang a hook.
All right, so the kids are out. They are looking really big right now. I don't know if it's just because they've been in there for a week and a half, but we will see if they have grown, and tomorrow morning when I come out here to feed them, if they're through. I'm hoping that they're big enough, they stay in here, and just stay on their own for a little bit more. The plan is to keep them in here until they go to their new owners. So what an amazing evening. We're just doing something really quick this evening. We had a great dinner, hanging out with each other. Chris and Shyla are down moving our chickens, giving them water, taking their feed. We just have a beautiful property, and I just love sitting up on top of it and looking at it. It's amazing to see how far we have come in such a short time. We've been here for 2 years, and we have a lot going on. These are our first kid goats that we're gonna be selling, and we're also gonna be selling our 2 Eastern Frisian rams. We also have 1 Katahdin ram that we're gonna be keeping and breeding with our Eastern Frisian ewe. We wanna have a combination of meat and milk production. So I would like to thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys liked today's video. We just wanted to show you what we were doing, and that was my main goal after getting off work, is to get these kids out of that shed because it was cramped, and I'm sure they weren't very happy being in there. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and feel free to leave some comments. We will see you on the next video.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to them.
Who them?
They're right there.
Where?
What? They're right there behind the camera.
Where?
Yep, they're right there.